Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to create brand accounts on YouTube. This allows you to make multiple YouTube channels and have them all linked to the same Google account. So the first thing, you just need to go to the web address. It is youtube.com/channel_switcher. Just press enter. It'll take you to youtube.com/account. Instead of the normal youtube.com account page, it will bring up this page here. This will have the list of all your channels you have. And to create a new one, you just need to click create a channel. You just type in whatever channel name you want, so let's type one in. Doesn't matter what you want, you can just call whatever you like. Click the I understand that I'm creating a new Google account with its own settings. And then click create. Then it'll bring you to a new YouTube channel and it'll have you logged in. So here it is. And then from there you can just click on the icon there, go to YouTube Studio to go to your dashboard, and you can see that we've got a new account with no content on it. So if you liked this video or found it useful, don't forget to like the video, comment down below any thoughts you had or ideas for future videos, and subscribe so you can keep seeing videos like this.